Today, final goal is to get this tree down, remove all the dangerous overhanging branches off this tree. As you can see, they're overhanging the neighbours. Good job for Kingborough Council, and then just a couple of Swift Parrot habitat hollows in it.
So we're doing some chainsaw hollows for the Swift Parrot. We'll take a faceplate off the back of the trunk, take that sort of faceplate off, get the nose of the chainsaw and just bore in, get a nice hollow in there, and then come through from the back of the hole saw to make a nice entrance hole for the parrot. After all that, we just take that faceplate that we took off at the start and screw it back on. Something we try and do as much as possible, especially if we can leave the tree for habitat. Something we'll recommend.
It was a good day. Got the limbs off, tree's safe, and we put a few habitat hollows in for Swift Parrots and a couple for larger birds as well. So job done, on to the next day.